Hello, I'm Sarah, your reference librarian for the second Red Scare LibGuide. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through using Library of Congress subject headings, which are an excellent way to refine and narrow your search so that you get fewer sources and you get sources that are most relevant to your topic. So, when I first search in the library website, I might just type in Red Scare, and I might get some really good results, but you'll see that if I look at subjects, Red Scare isn't listed. If I search just Red Scare and I don't select a field, then I'm basically searching as a keyword, and I get a lot of sources with Red Scare in the title. But what if I want some sources that have different titles? Well, maybe I could use subject terms. So I've typed in Red Scare, subject terms, and I get some sources. So, Red Scare is listed in the subjects, but if we look at each one of these, it all says Red Scare, United States, 1919 through 1921. Well, that's not what I want because I want information on the second Red Scare of the 1950s. Well, what's the issue here? The issue is that Red Scare 1950s is not an official authorized subject heading in the Library of Congress vocabulary. In Library of Congress world, that term doesn't exist, except in specific titles. So I might try searching one of these other terms, all of which are official subject headings. You can find a full list at this link. So on this last one, I have typed in anti-communist movements. I've made that a subject term, and to narrow it a little, I've typed in 1950s, just to ensure that I don't get anything about the 1920s. I've left 1950s as just select a field optional. I haven't put a field in there. I could put in something about United States history, but I'm not going to. So you'll see here in each of these, I get anti-communist movements, United States, which is pretty helpful. Anti-communist movements. I do get some unuseful sources that are about, China and Turkey, but I also, by typing in the subject heading, I get some sources that I wouldn't have found if I was just searching the title. This source has McCarthyism in the title, but it doesn't have anything about Red Scare in that entry, but it looks like a really interesting source. So hopefully this information gives you a brief overview of how to use Library of Congress subject headings so that you can more effectively search your topic. Happy searching!